Nutrition coaching is the best business in the world and it's only going to continue to blow up over the next 10 years. So if you're looking to take your passion for fitness and turn it into a business, don't become a personal trainer. There's a better way, and today I'm going to show you a step-by-step system to start and grow a profitable nutrition coaching business. Starting with step number 1, just start. I've trained hundreds of successful nutrition coaches over the last 10 years. Many of them really good and capable coaches even before I started working with them. But when I ask them why they haven't already started a nutrition coaching business, they always look back and say, I'm not sure. And this really surprises me because they haven't done it yet. But sometimes all it takes is a little permission. So if you're watching this and thinking, I could do that. I could do some nutrition coaching and help people. Here's your sign. You need to get started and I'm giving you permission to do it. Of course, if you don't feel confident in your skills or understanding of the science of nutrition, pursue a nutrition certification and learn more. I have one you can do and we can chat about that. Or drop me a question in the comments below and we'll talk about suitable options. But this is your permission to get started and here's what you need to do that. The first thing you need to do is decide on how you'll actually coach people. My suggestion is always to work with nutrition clients one-on-one. Find someone suitable or get a client to find you, which we'll talk about in the next point, and assess where they're at, what they want to accomplish, and what is holding them back from reaching their goals. Then you'll set them up in a coaching structure, typically giving them calorie and macronutrient prescriptions, and give them action items to hit those goals. Then you'll continue to coach them on a one-on-one basis, checking in with them every week. At this weekly check-in, you'll correspond on how the week went and make adjustments depending on how things look. And you'll do this coaching in an organized structure until they reach their goal. They'll get a personalized service that they love and they'll be happy to refer you to their friends. Start with one-on-one coaching and build out your actual coaching system. But this is hard to do without clients, so you're also going to need to find those. At the beginning of this stuff, everyone you work with is going to be already in your social circle. You might not believe this, that the people that are going to hire you already see you as the person that will be able to help them. You just need to give them an opportunity to do that. And here's what you need to do. On your social media, you'll say, hey, I'm getting my nutrition coaching started. So if you're someone that wants to lose 10 pounds in the next couple of months, or you're preparing for an endurance race, whatever people know you as, then send me a message and we'll chat about how I can help. You'll be very surprised about the response to this. People want to work with you, you just need to give them that next step and the opportunity to work with you. So put these type of feelers out there, tell them what they'll get, what's in it for them, and what the next step is to get started, and they will reach out to you. And when you first get your business going, this is how you'll get clients. But you'll also need to figure out how to get paid. At the beginning, I'm not against you doing this for free, but you need to move to paid coaching relationships as soon as possible. And the best way to set this up and to collect payment is in recurring monthly payments. At the beginning of the coaching relationship, you'll collect someone's goals and get a better sense of what they're trying to accomplish and get a rough timeline around how long they'll take to work with you. Doing this can create some expectations around the coaching process, but from there, you still want to charge people on a month-to-month basis to work with you. You can set all of this up through PayPal and Stripe. These payment processors will take and charge a small fee for doing the transaction, but doing something that's set up and automated and does it every month will take away a lot of headaches for you. You won't be chasing people for payment, it'll just be happening. And that's how you get started. You won't need to quit your full-time job to become a personal trainer, where you just become a salesperson on a gym floor. You'll be helping people and making money right away. And here's what you do next, which is number 2, scale your nutrition coaching business. You're watching this video because you're intrigued about nutrition coaching, and I don't blame you, because there's never been a better time to get started with nutrition coaching. Check this out. Recent survey data from the Personal Trainer Development Center showed that fitness professionals doing nutrition coaching made more money than any other specialty, and that includes physical therapists. This is the biggest area for opportunity in fitness right now. Once you've got your nutrition coaching started, let me show you how to scale to this level. First, focus on taking more clients and even add in another check-in day. So as you get this going and you work with 5 clients or 10 clients, you want to manage all of those clients on the same check-in day. Usually most beginner or intermediate nutrition coaches can handle anywhere between 5 to 15 clients on the same check-in day. What this does is limit your actual coaching fulfillment to 1 day per week, where you can spend the rest of your available time focusing on growing your business. This is really important to do at the beginning of your nutrition coaching journey. But once you get more interest in your nutrition coaching and push past this part, you're gonna wanna add in a second check-in day. This will allow you to essentially double your coaching roster and work with more clients. And to get more clients, you wanna focus on the second part here, which is testimonials and social proof. Keep in mind, no one wants to be the first person for anything. But if people see that you're already working with clients and they're getting results, they will be assured that you're the right person to coach them. So we need to focus on creating social media content around that. Take screenshots and before and after pictures and even interview your best clients and focus on the results that they got with you. Post these as often as you can and display them in different ways, because it's this type of content that's going to motivate people to take action. Nutrition coaching is very much a results-based business. If you have a strong track record for results, you will get clients, and you need to learn how to highlight this. And the last step to focus on as you scale your nutrition coaching business is use using more video. Using video in your social media content, because this is the quickest and most effective way to build the know, love, and trust factor, which is gonna help people get to know you as a coach and make it more likely that they'll hire you, as well as starting to integrate more video into your actual nutrition coaching check-ins, which will make for a more personal and effective coaching service. You'll take nutrition coaching check-ins that could take you 30 minutes to write everything out, and now you'll be talking over things using screen capture technology like Loom and inserting things into your video. This makes for easier communication and a more personal service. Use video as often as you can. It's super effective and is the future of business. At this point, your nutrition coaching business is cruising. You're probably making anywhere between $3,000 to $5,000 part-time as a side hustle, but let me show you now how to take this part-time passion and go full-time with it. At this point, it's really important to become an authority and niche down. So at the beginning, as you're getting this stuff started, you're gonna work with people with different goals, different people in your social circle. It's not really gonna matter who you're working with. You're just getting experience and you're getting some reps in. But as you get more experience, you're gonna really wanna focus on a specific type of person. You can niche down on demographics, the pain points around who this person is, maybe what they do for work, how old they are, and what type of results that they're after. Some of the best ways to do this is think about your own personal experience. What have you worked through? Who are you best suited to serve? And then double down on that by becoming the authority in that space. This is the smartest thing you can do to get to the next level because you become known as that person. I go to your social media page, I know exactly if it's for me or not right off the bat. Now keep in mind, niching down doesn't limit the people that you work with. If someone isn't fit this specific clientele, that doesn't mean you can't still help them, you just don't market to them. But niching down is one of the smartest and most effective ways to get more clients and go full time. Now there's two main ways to make more money in your nutrition coaching business, either take on more clients or charge more per client. We've already spent considerable energy finding new clients, so the easiest thing we can do at this point is start to charge more. And if you're someone that was already considering personal training, you know you need to be good at sales. And we can use these skills as a nutrition coach to attract more higher paying clients and convert them into actual paying clients. And we could use these same skills as a nutrition coach to convince higher paying clients to work with us. But it comes down to having actual sales conversations with right fit clients and going through where they are right now and why your life-changing service is right for them. Most people get into coaching because they want to help people with their passion, but if you want to go full time with this stuff, you're going to need to develop your sales skills. And the last thing you need to do is go slow and steady, and it needs to make sense. For my entire adult life, I've either been a bartender or an online nutrition coach. And I know the people that look at me in my life and think, you've only ever done this online coaching business, that's pretty risky stuff. You've never had that full-time secured job. And while I understand why they feel that way, I'm actually pretty risk adverse. Things need to make sense. Don't just quit your job to pursue your passion. Do this part-time until you've built up enough clientele that it makes sense to move over to full-time. For most of the nutrition coaches that I work with, this means anywhere between $5,000 to $10,000 per month, which for most coaches means working with anywhere between 25 to 50 full-time nutrition clients. So get to that sweet spot before you making the leap to full-time nutrition coaching. Nutrition coaching is the best job in the world. So if you're someone that's thinking about making the move into the health and fitness space, I suggest you go down this path instead of becoming a personal trainer. So I hope this video helped. Now, as great as all those tips are, if you're really serious about starting a nutrition coaching business, the next thing I'll have you do is check out this video I've linked to right here. The nutrition coaching business is built around the weekly check-in. So the next video, I'm gonna detail that entire process and give you everything you need to know to run effective nutrition coaching check-ins. So make sure to check it out now, and I'll see you in the next video.